Coronavirus vaccine is Sanjeevani Booty. There are many questions which must be coming to your mind. Number one, is this vaccine safe? What are the contraindications of these vaccines? Who are the people who cannot take this vaccine? What are the side effects of these vaccines? It is safe or it is not safe? So today I'm going to remove all the confusions regarding this vaccine.
सीखिए स्पोकन इंग्लिश, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और बहुत कुछ इंडिया के टॉप एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ। आज ही जोश स्किल्स ऐप पर अपने मनपसंद कोर्स को शुरू करिए। डाउनलोड द ऐप टुडे।
Last year I came to tell you what is corona illness, what are the precautions of corona, how it should be treated. It has been almost 10 months and you people must have lost some of your friends, maybe relatives, or your parents might have suffered from corona disease. Today I have come to tell you about corona vaccine. Now we have an exemplary vaccine in front of us which is safe, which is efficacious, which is affordable, that is in our hand. So today I am going to remove all the confusions regarding this vaccine. So how is this journey about the vaccination? I will like to first give you the historical overview. Now under the backdrop of fact, you all know that we have eradicated polio. Imagine if there was no vaccine of polio available. Now you imagine that. Now imagine if there was no vaccine available for measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, diphtheria, tetanus, and so many other diseases. And the humankind has eradicated many diseases only because of vaccine. May it be smallpox, may it be polio, and we have decreased the incidence of majority of the infectious diseases, majority of the dreaded infectious diseases over last say few decades just only because of vaccine. Now in 2020, human beings were faced with an extraordinary type of an unprecedented, you can say, catastrophe which has come in the form of corona. So this kind of a catastrophe came and everybody was looking for the vaccine again, because vaccine is the only scapegoat which can prevent these diseases. So it is very important. Normally I must tell you, vaccine development takes about a decade's time, 10 years time. But this time our scientists, because of their meticulous planning, because of their hard work, they have taken out a vaccine. Now, there are many questions which must be coming to your mind. Number one, is this vaccine safe? This is the most important question which most of my patients also ask me. My answer is yes. Because till today, 23 lakh people have been given vaccine. And these people are not ordinary people. These are all healthcare workers, the doctors, the nurses, those who know about this vaccine, those who know about this disease, they have confidently taken this vaccine. So 23 lakh healthcare workers have already received this vaccine and without any much of side effects. I will not say that all the vaccines, they are absolutely safe, they will have no side effects. Of course, minor side effects are there. But in these 23 lakh people, we have not lost even a single life. So that speaks volumes about it. That speaks that this vaccine is safe. So there is not much of me telling you whether you should go ahead and take or not. Definitely, I will bulldoze my clinical opinion that you should go and take this vaccine. It is safe, it is efficacious because 23 lakh people have already taken, and over a period of next 1 week, another 23 lakh will be taking, and this is a safe vaccine. Now there are different varieties of vaccines which are coming. What is this Moderna vaccine? What is this Pfizer vaccine? What is Covishield? What is Covaxin? So many things are coming. We should trust our regulators, we should trust our scientific people, we should trust our doctors, we should trust our volunteers. Whatever they are deciding, and after seeing all the research papers, whatever DCGI is recommending, we should go with that. We should have trust in that. So we have a good distribution system in place, number one. We have competent vaccine with us, number two. It doesn't have much of side effects, so there should not be any kind of confusion in your minds. Now that day I was seeing on social media, someone was writing that this vaccine can lead to impotence. It is absurd. It is very sad. It is sad that such an unprofessional advice is being given and the people are being deluded for no reason. It is very sad. So this vaccine has no side effect like this, that it will lead to impotence or it will lead to very, very serious side effects. Then the next question comes, whether I should take vaccine. Of course you should take vaccine, but whenever your turn comes, Initially in our country, 3 crore people, 30 million people will be given vaccine, those who will be healthcare workers or the frontline workers like Safai Karamcharis or frontline police personnel. Then 27 crore, 270 million people will be given the vaccine, those who are more than 50 years, those who are at high risk, or those who are less than 50 years but having pre-morbid conditions like diabetes, uncontrolled asthma, or from heart disease, or from high blood pressure, those who are suffering from these diseases, or those who are having liver cell failure or kidney failure, this thing. Then there will come the rest of the population whom the vaccine will be given. So you should wait for your turn patiently and must get the vaccine whenever your turn comes. Then comes that what are the contraindications of these vaccines. So who are the people who cannot take this vaccine? So anybody who is having allergic reactions, severe allergic reactions, or who has had massive anaphylaxis in past because of any reason, or any person who is having immunocompromised diseases or who is having immunosuppressant treatment, he should not take. Pregnant females are not supposed to be taking this vaccine, and children who are less than 12 years will not be given the vaccine as per with the current scenario. Anyway, all the live vaccines, they are contraindicated in all these age groups. Anybody who is having high fever should not take vaccine at that time. Anybody who is having allergic reaction should not take not only coronavirus vaccine, but also the other viral vaccines like measles, mumps, rubella, and these vaccines. So these are some of the contraindications of the vaccine. Then the question comes that what are the side effects of these vaccines? Generally, no vaccine is completely devoid of side effects. So side effects may occur with vaccines, like to the tune of that there may be some fever, there may be some headache, there may be some kind of a body ache, or there may be some local redness, local itching at the site of injection, maybe some pain. Maybe you will not be able to use the arm for a day or two because there is spasm in the muscle where the vaccine has been given. Maybe you will get some few rashes on the body, or maybe you will have some nausea or vomiting. These are minor side effects which may occur whenever you are taking vaccine, and you should not be scared of them. Major side effects are like anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is an acute reaction where a person can lose life. Fortunately, when we have given vaccine to 23 lakh people, we have not lost even a single life. But these type of side effects are extremely rare in these vaccines, especially those which have gone through the trials. Now the next question comes, patients, they often ask me, I have a good relation, a pretty good relation with corona because I run a corona hospital, I treat patients of corona, and I also got corona about 6 months back. So a lot of patients, they ask me whether it is safe or it is not safe. So I always tell them that it is absolutely safe, and whenever your turn comes, you should take this vaccine. Then the patients, they ask, shall we use all our precautionary measures or COVID appropriate behavior, we should continue or not? I say yes. Mask is not going to go anywhere for the coming 2 to 3 years, because till our herd immunity increases, we will have to wear mask, we will have to follow the social distancing, and we will have to follow the hand hygiene. It will not only protect us from coronavirus infections, but also from other infections, maybe tuberculosis, maybe flu, maybe pneumonia, or maybe other respiratory infections which are transmitted by the respiratory droplet infection. So it is very important. I agree that with the coming of the vaccine, there is going to be a tectonic shift, that from now onwards, the herd immunity will keep on increasing and the infectivity of COVID will keep on decreasing. That is fine. We are going to go to a different orbit, and the dynamics are going to change with this vaccine. But one thing is very important, with the changing of dynamics and tectonic shift, it takes time. It is going to take 2 years' time, maybe when the last mile person will be vaccinated with this vaccine in our country, maybe 1.5 years. Till that time, we should take all the precautions. There is also one more reason to take the precautions. The efficacy of this vaccine which we are giving is almost 70.42%. So that means that still 30% we are vulnerable to the infection. So it is important for us to continue with all the precautionary measures. So these are many questions, they are coming in the minds of the people. Basically, they are all revolving around the efficacy and around the safety of this vaccine. Now, as far as the efficacy is concerned, often the patients, they ask me that how long will be the duration of protection with this vaccine. Now, no one knows, because this disease is new and the vaccine has developed recently. So time will tell till what time the immunity is going to last. So it is very difficult question to answer. Now, if we talk of other viral infections like chickenpox, measles, rubella, mumps, once we give a vaccine, there is a lifelong protection. But there are certain diseases like flu, swine flu, where we need to repeat the vaccine after regular interval of 1 to 2 years. So in which way COVID viral vaccine will behave, the time will only tell. But definitely right now we need to take 2 doses which are 4 weeks apart. First dose is given today, the second dose is given after 4 weeks, and after the 4 weeks of the second dose the immunity develops. So there is a window period. There is a window period of 2 months. We must understand it is not like that here you get a shot of COVID vaccine and there you are protected for COVID. No, it is not like that. So first vaccine will be given, second will be given after 4 to 6 weeks, and thereafter there will be a period of 4 weeks when the body will respond and will produce the antibodies. Many patients, they ask me, how come this 0.5 ml of this injection, it is able to prevent from such a deadly disease? Now the issue is that in vaccine what we do is we introduce antigen in our body. The antigen can be in the form of a killed virus or it can be in the form of a live attenuated virus. The live virus, which is live, but it has been attenuated. Its virulence has been taken out. Or any component of the virus, maybe the protein of the virus, maybe the messenger RNA of the virus, we take that and then we introduce in the body. So what happens? The moment we introduce this antigen in the body, what is going to happen is that this will going to incite the production of antibodies in the body. The antibodies are going to work like an armor. So what will happen is that once the antibodies are produced, the moment we get COVID viral infection, the moment virus enters in our body, the antibodies will take care of it and we will not get the disease. This is how the vaccine works. So it is very important for us to understand that we introduce the antigen and antigen is going to produce the antibodies. Antibody production can be done by 2 ways only. Either by getting the disease, once we get the disease, antibodies are produced and we get protected. And the second is that we get the antigenic challenge from in the form of vaccine and then we produce the antibodies so that we are protected from the disease. So it is very important for us to understand. Then there are many questions that my father is old, can he take the vaccine? Or I am on certain medicines, can I take the vaccine? There are so many questions which are coming. By and large, I can advise you whenever you are going to your vaccine center, you have to take few precautions. Number one, you have to tell your medical history to the vaccinator or the doctor, whosoever is there. Thereafter, you have to wait for half an hour after getting the vaccine, because severe reactions, they may occur during initial half an hour only. So it is very important for us to be there for half an hour with the doctor only, at the premises only, and you must discuss each and everything with the doctor. But by and large, I can tell you this vaccine has no interference with any kind of medicines. Even if you are taking your regular medicines, you can take the vaccine. And although it is not a blanket advice, you can always discuss with your vaccinator wherever you are going. And by and large, most of the illnesses we can give this vaccine, unless you are suffering from an immunocompromised kind of an illness, or you are suffering from or you are taking immunosuppressive medicines which are decreasing your immunity. So in those conditions only we should be careful and we should tell our doctors about our history. At the end of my talk, I will like to emphasize on the fact that coronavirus vaccine is Sanjeevani Booty and we should take it, we should accept it whenever our number comes.
21st सेंचुरी में हम एक ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुंच गए हैं जहां हमारी डिग्री और कॉलेज से ज्यादा मैटर करती है हमारी स्किल्स, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, इंटरनेट स्किल्स, जो हमें करियर में आगे बढ़ने में हेल्प करती है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये स्किल्स हमें स्कूल में या फिर कॉलेज में नहीं सिखाए जाते. जाहिर सी बात है कि हमें ये स्किल्स कहीं से तो सीखनी होंगी. ये स्किल्स सीखना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. चाहिए हमें सिर्फ सही गाइडेंस, डायरेक्शन और फीडबैक इन्हें इंप्रूव करने का. ये स्किल सीखने के लिए और जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए मैं आपको देश के सबसे अच्छे सुझाव के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं, जिसका नाम आपने सुना ही होगा, जोश स्किल्स ऐप. ये ऐप आपको कैसे हेल्प करेगा? जोश स्किल्स का हर एक कोर्स डिजाइन है आपको जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. चलिए स्पोकन इंग्लिश की ही बात कर लेते हैं. रोजाना इस कोर्स में आपको मिलेंगे वीडियो लेसन्स, क्विजेस, प्रैक्टिसेस एंड फेस टू फेस दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बात करने का मौका। आप क्या सही बोलते हैं और क्या गलत, हर एक चीज पर आपको फीडबैक भी दिया जाएगा। और तो और लर्निंग को मजेदार बनाने के लिए आपको पॉइंट्स भी मिलेंगे और टॉप स्कोरर्स को हमारे तरफ से अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे। इससे बेहतर लर्निंग क्या हो सकती है। सिर्फ यही नहीं, हमने इस ऐप को बदलकर एक ब्रांड न्यू लुक और फील दिया है ताकि आपकी लर्निंग और भी इफेक्टिव हो और आप अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ पाए। आज ही डाउनलोड करिए जोश स्किल्स ऐप और अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़िए।